POV drive day. One of those days. So I'm just parked here. Let's get this shit started. But check it out. I had to cut that out to make it come back down because they were both fucked up. This doesn't take quad tips. It's a single tip, but I custom did it. That's why it works. Oh fuck, my head's heavy. Well, this will have to do. Here's a little POV drive. Something I've been wanting to do forever, but I never can because I don't have fucking equipment, but now I do. Got it to work. I need to be careful. All right, once this car passes, I'll give it like a little pull to 4K. Man, that turbo, man. That was barely anything. With the windows up too. It sounds better with the real exhaust. Toned and everything. Like this titanium exhaust sounds so damn good with the equal length headers. I love it. Man, it doesn't get any better than this. So glad to finally have this car back too. It's been like a year. The last POV drive that I did was a year ago. And the car was gray. Naro gray. That's the first color it's been. This is the third color it has been. This is the white now. Previous was blue, but I never recorded when it was blue. But if you want to see it blue, check out my Instagram. I have plenty of pictures of there when it's blue. And you guys can go ahead and check that out. I'm going to go ahead and take it slow on these damn residentials because fuck, bro. I'm honestly scared of the po. I ain't trying to get state ref or none of that bullshit. No. Holy crap. I heard shit fly in the back. That wasn't even full throttle. I'm scared to go full throttle on this car. I don't want to break it. At the end of the day, it's a Subi. Nah, but I just got it back. I got it retuned. I got it done at VRF Manufacturing over there in Sac. If you guys are in the area and you want to get the tune, this boy. Put an ECU down there, a ton of link ECU. Obviously, that's why I have the AFR gauge right here. It's just I don't have the freaking... I do have the coupler to put it on there. It's just I haven't put it on. I don't know why. I haven't put it on. Whoa, what was that? Fucking Fiero? Go ahead and take a right. Take you guys through the little twisties, little fun roads. I've had front wheel drive, I've had a rear wheel drive cars, but all wheel drive is perfect. I love it. I fucking love this car. I love it, but I hate it. I love and I hate this car. Oh, my fucking horn came off. It's not even on, guys. It's just, I know, it's ratchet on. It's broken, that's why. It's freaking broken. Leave me alone. Man, something about driving this car outside on a nice day like this, it just brings me so much happiness like you guys do not understand. Oh, this road sucks. Oh, fuck. Oh. See, that's what sucks about where I live. It's a really nice town, as you guys can see, but the fucking roads suck dick. Man, this car used to be so much louder. There's no drone in here. Oh, fuck, wait, it's like behind a truck. But this car is so quiet on the inside. I mean, you can still hear it on the outside, but that's because I got the quad tips and they poke out now. And it sounds so good. Just listen to it. That was barely anything. Man, this car just, it's a headache, man. All last year, I just dumped so much money into this thing. hoping that one day I'd be able to drive it again, and here we are. To be honest, I did not think I'd ever make it here with this car. I thought I was gonna give up on it because the rebuild was a freaking nightmare, guys. It was a nightmare. From parts to delivery to tuner, like it's a long process. Man, what the oh, they're working. Man, why y'all motherfuckers always gotta be working? Man, look at the views. Let me show you guys the back outside. Oh shit. Look at that. Straight buffoonery. Come on, that looked like it was all of them. Can we go now? Come on. Hello? Hello? Stupid light. Can we go now? Hold on. Yeah, guys. I need to buy a new Momo horn. It like the reason it's not connected is because the other freaking connector's right here. So obviously that's not gonna work. And then obviously it broke here. Oh shit, we're going now. Man, fucking going back is gonna suck dick. I'm gonna have to wait again. This car used to have like an absurd popping tune on it. It's gone now because now I wanted to make power. I don't want to go for that burbling shit no more. Come on, this truck is ruining this thing, man. I love how fucking raspy the exhaust sounds. I love how raspy it sounds. I love it. Actually, I don't. It rubs. See what I mean? Kind of scared because last time I saw a cop driving down this road, and that's why I kind of stopped driving it because I used to haul ass. But ever since I saw him, I got scared. Didn't come back. Look at this road. I love the way California looks. I just hate Californians. And I live here. And I'm sick of them too, man. Probably gonna pull off in this little pull off over here that I always pull out. Oh, where the bikers at? Right there. That's the spot. Let me just pull off. Show you guys the little view right here. I used to come over here all the time to take pictures of the car, but I haven't had the car for a year. So this is the first time I bring it back in forever. Man, let me show you guys some exhaust clips of this shit. Look at that. This is what I had to cut out. The right side and the left side because the left side wasn't even, and obviously I had to cut off one of these fins on that side, so I just might as well made it even. Yeah, this is it. This is a spot where I just come kick it. Look at empty roads, barely any cars. Wow, I fucking love this car. Woo!